birthday of our birthday girl this afternoon, Nessie Zendi, and the 77th birthday of Inang Honyang. Alright, so the way. So ito na, hindi ko na matagal ito. Ladies and gentlemen, we can now face the aisle as we see our special guest this afternoon. So many more ito na. Ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, let us all witness the grand entrance of our one and only birthday girl this afternoon together with our another birthday celebrant was happening ito. Of course, to be joined by the parents, Mommy Zell and Daddy Carlo, and of course, the husband of our another birthday celebrant this afternoon. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome on stage our two birthday celebrants, Baby Zendi and Inang Honyang! Gusto mo malakas ang mga patuloy sa lahat ng ating once again, let's give it up to our two birthday celebrants, Baby Zendi and Inang Honyang! Okay, so everybody please remain standing. Bibilang po ng tatlo at sabay-sabay natin batiin ang happy birthday ang ating dalawang may kaarawan. You guys ready? In 3, 2, 1, everybody say! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Alright! Happy birthday to you! Everybody, let's put a call to the boss to say a part! Handa na ba lahat? Sabay-sabay na lang silang batiin ng isang lakas sa happy birthday. And 3, 2, 1, everybody say!
Happy birthday!
Isang malakas sa malapakan ang isa lang si Kata Urban Celebrator. Baby Zendi ng Honyang. Of course, muna si Baby Zendi. Make a wish.